Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about 1 over cosine s squared on numerator and denominator. So if I want to put this one go inside about the cubic root, you got about cosine s to the power of 6. So this one we have sine s over cosine s. Next, we change this one into secant of s squared. This one we change by tan s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 3 for the both side to cancel about the cubic root. So you got about tan s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First derivative of tan s, we have secant of x squared ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by 3u squared du. U squared divided by u, we have u. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.